everybody, welcome to the homestead.
Good morning, guys.
Well, we're back in the farm stand build.
We are.
And it is freezing cold, guys, freezing.
It is.
I think the temperature right now is like 24 degrees, but it's sunny out and there's no wind, so it's tolerable.
It's not too bad in here.
But they're forecasting 4 to 6 inches for tomorrow and into Monday morning.
We're not saying the S word.
Yeah. And then for tomorrow, Monday, Tuesday, the temperatures pretty much are in the very low 20s and in the teens, even at the height of the day. So this is a good day for us to get back on this project.
Yeah.
So what we're going to try and do today is we're going to try and get this back section framed in. Mm-hmm. And it should go relatively quickly.
Yeah, we have all of our lumber cut.
Yeah.
So
we just got to square up the ends, cut it to length, and get it framed up. And this is going to be a 24 on center framing because none of it is structural.
No.
So we don't need a lot of extra boards. No. And it should go pretty fast, guys. So we're going to get right on it. All right, so we're gonna build this back wall first, and we're gonna have roof rafters that'll go along this way for us to attach our insulation to. So I just need to get a measurement so that I know how far down we're going to want how far down we're gonna want the top of our wall to be. So I've got it at 4 1/4 inches. And that's going to give us 81 1/2 for the height of our wall. All right, now that I have these cut to the length of my wall, I'm just going to square them up, and I'm going to mark them out for our wall joist at 24 on center. 48 is 6 foot. All right, guys. I'm not a carpenter, so I made a big mistake on both of these sides because my next wall is going to sit like this. I should have put in my nailer, and all the nailer is a board on the inside so that it sits like this, so you have something to nail to. Okay, and I did not do that. So, because this is a non-structural wall, we're gonna cheat. We're just gonna put these pieces of scrap in, and then we're gonna take this one and nail that to the scrap, and that will provide us with our nailer. This one a try? More at the bottom. Yep, right there. Easier to kick in than pull out. Put that all the way in there. Kick in the bottom. Past it and into the beam. Pretty good. Check it this way. pretty cold.
It is pretty cold out here.
Yeah, but rough framing is done.
Yeah.
So very excited about that. That was not bad for a day's work.
No, we just, like I was saying earlier, we would need a door. We're almost ready. You're going to do electrical.
Next up is
insulation.
running electrical, then insulating it. And I'll put plastic over this side just to keep any moisture out.
Yeah, but it's almost ready for me to start seeds.
Yeah, we'll get the board and batten on this side, and then we can come back and enclose this the same.
Yep.
And get that ready to go. But the priority is to get Missy's seeds going and have a room to do that that's insulated and good to go.
Yeah, because last year I wasn't able to start seeds in the greenhouse until, the first week of March? And it was really late.
Yeah, and we did get some loss because we got a little bit of a frost after
Yeah.
that. So this room will work out fine. Fully insulated. We can throw a heater in here.
Mm-hmm.
It'll work very, very nicely.
Yeah, and we have heat mats and grow lights, so
It
it'll
will.
work out good.
All right, guys, it is bitter cold, and there's like 6 inches of snow coming. So we got to get everything cleaned up.
Not supposed to mention the S word.
Oh, sorry, guys. We got frozen rain coming. Got to get everything cleaned up, and we got to double check our animals because we are still at the house sitting house for 2 more weeks. 2 weeks from today.
And then we'll be back here full time.
We'll be back on the homestead full time, living in the camper. Again.
That's okay.
No, it's
We're
fine.
used to it.
I think we'll get more done. I'm more motivated when I'm here looking at it.
When we're here full time, it's easier to get more accomplished because
You're looking right
at it all the time.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
All right, guys. We're going to leave it there. You guys have a good one. We'll see ya.
Bye, guys.